Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 chemistry chapter oxygen part 10. In this part we will learn the second, third and fourth points of mechanism of rusting. So second, forming insoluble iron compounds. Iron on treating with superheated steam forms a layer of ferrosulfuric oxide Fe3O4 on the surface. This layer is not affected by moist air. Third, alloy formation. The alloy of iron has a strong resistance to rusting. Iron can be converted to stainless steel by fusing it with carbon, chromium and nickel in a definite proportion. Fourth, protective coating. Rusting can be prevented by applying a protective coating on the surface of iron so that it does not come in contact with air. The coating is of two types: A. Non-metallic coating, B. Metallic coating. Our next topic is oxides. Oxides. A binary compound formed by oxygen and other elements is called an oxide. Oxides are classified into two types. First classification. Based on the nature of oxides, they are classified into different types. That is, test 1 classification. First is non-metallic oxides. Non-metallic oxides. Second is metallic oxides. Metallic oxides. So in non-metallic oxides, the 2 points are acidic oxides and neutral oxides. Acidic oxides. The oxide which react with water to yield acids are called acidic oxides. Second, neutral oxides. The oxides which are neither acidic nor basic are called neutral oxides. Second, metallic oxides, in that basic oxides and amphoteric oxides. So first, basic oxide, in that the oxides which react with water to form bases are called basic oxides. Example, Na2O, K2O. Second, amphoteric oxides. The oxides which possesses both acidic and basic properties and react with either acid or base to form salt and water are called amphoteric oxides. Example, SnO2 and ZnO. Second classification, type 2 classification. Test 2 classification. First is normal oxides, second is peroxides, third is superoxides, fourth is suboxides, and fifth is mixed oxides. Now we will learn them in detail. First, normal oxides. Oxides which contain as much oxygen as permitted by the valency of the combined element are called normal oxide. Second, peroxides. The oxides containing more oxygen than the basic valency of the combined element are called peroxides. They contain O2, 2 minus ion, which on treatment with dilute acids give rise to hydrogen peroxide. Third is superoxides. The oxides containing more oxygen than the basic valency of the combined element are called superoxides. They contain O2 minus ions. The superoxides are powerful oxidizing agents. Fourth is suboxides. The oxides which contain less oxygen than the basic valency of the combined element are called suboxides. Fifth is mixed oxides. Some oxides show functions of more than one simple oxide of the same or different types. They are called mixed oxides. Now, our next topic is uses of oxygen. First is before that introduction. Oxygen is very important to sustain life on the earth. Its uses are categorized into general uses and industrial uses. First use is general use. Second use is artificial respiration. Third is combustion. Fourth is fuel. Fifth is oxidizing agent. And second point is uses of oxygen in medicine. Uses of oxygen in medicine. First is oxygen tent, second is carbogen, third is anesthesia, and third use is industrial uses. First is for welding and cutting metals. Second is in the iron and steel industry. Third is in chemical industries. In part 11, it will be short part, but we will discuss about these three uses. First, general uses. Second, uses of oxygen in medicines, and third, industrial uses. I hope you have understood this part 10. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8th. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood this video. Thank you for watching.